Chapter 11 Light. Lesson number 2 Reflection and Mirrors. Textbook page number 336 to 341. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the types of reflection and the image formation by different types of mirrors. Reflection of light rays. The two ways in which a surface can reflect light are regular reflection and diffuse reflection or irregular reflection. As you can see in this picture, light reflects from different surfaces in different ways. The first figure shows that reflection is diffuse reflection, which means when parallel light rays strike a rough surface, the rays are reflected at different angles. Such a reflection is called diffuse reflection or sometimes called irregular reflection. And on the right side you can see the second one is regular reflection. When parallel light rays strike a smooth surface, all of the rays are reflected at the same angle, and here the reflection is regular. Concave mirrors. A mirror with a surface that curves inward like the inside of a ball is a concave mirror. As you can see in this diagram, it shows a concave mirror where you can see the focal point is in front of the mirror. Convex mirror. A mirror with a surface that curves outward is called a convex mirror. Here you can see in this diagram a convex mirror which has the focal point behind the mirror. So in the case of a convex mirror, its focal point is behind the mirror, but in the case of a concave mirror, its focal point is in front of the mirror. Next we have ray diagrams. Ray diagrams show where an image forms and the size of the image. The steps below show how to draw a ray diagram. You can see that there are 3 steps to draw a ray diagram. Let's have a look at this picture where you can see the object is denoted as A. First step is to draw a ray or a line which is perpendicular to the optical axis towards the mirror. You can see in the figure there is a red ray which is drawn from the object A. Then that red line or that red ray is reflecting from the mirror, and that reflected ray is passing through the focal point. This is the first step. Now we have the second step, which is step 2, which says draw a ray which is from the object, which looks like it is coming through the focal point towards the mirror. Then draw the reflected ray which is parallel to the optical axis. That you can see in this figure, the ray which is drawn in green color. This is step 2. Now we have the third step, which shows there are dotted lines behind the mirror. So let's draw dashed lines or dotted lines like this and join them, and we can find the image there at that point where these two lines meet. So these are the 3 steps to draw ray diagrams. Okay, now let's see the image produced by concave mirrors. Concave mirrors can produce both real and virtual images. Here you can see the ray diagram which shows the image produced by a concave mirror. When the object is closer than the focal point, a virtual enlarged image forms. So this is the image formation of a concave mirror. Reflection of light rays. The 2 ways in which a surface can reflect light are regular reflection and diffuse reflection or irregular reflection. As you can see in this picture, light reflects from different surfaces in different ways. The first figure shows that reflection is diffuse reflection, which means when parallel light rays strike a rough surface, the rays are reflected at different angles. Such a reflection is called comparing and contrasting. Now let's check what are the similarities and differences between concave and convex mirrors. Concave mirrors produce real images, enlarged images, and their curves are inward. Convex mirrors, the curves are outward. Both concave and convex mirrors produce virtual and reduced images.